Hey now, you know what steak make the best cheesesteak? Well, one of the best. Ribeye. This is ribeye right here. It's already been cooked and chopped up. And I got some mushroom and onions. Right? Now, check this out. Okay, so come over here and I got my ribeye. I got my mushroom and onions. They're raw, not cooked. And a little bit of cheese. And now I'm about to put this bad boy in the microwave. And remember guys, microwave ovens vary. So anyway, some cook fast and some don't. This is a big one. I can cook a turkey in this microwave. But anyway, I'm gonna do it for a minute. Turn the light on so you can see. Basically a minute on high. And I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay guys, and look at that. It's done. Look at that. That's sauce. See, it's ready now. Cheese is melted, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of mayonnaise. If I can get it out. Yep. That's it. Bam. And that's how you make a great homemade cheesesteak. Pennsylvania style. Yes, I can pick this bad boy up. It's good. Make one of these and you'll be craving it. All right. I'm Big Brian. Have a good day. Peace out. All you need to have some chips. Bam. Ask and you shall receive. Got these Lay's stacks. So yeah, guys, this is good right here. Got me some Arizona tea, mango, and now I am ready to go watch some YouTube videos and a little bit of TV. Awesome. Peace out.